everyone, good morning. It's Stuart here with 3 Dogs in an RV, and welcome to Azalea Sands Golf Course here in North Myrtle Beach. We're playing 18 this morning out at before 7 o'clock, which is perfect. So hope you come around for our ride on this round. Let's see how well we do continuing to shake the rust off, because we haven't golfed in a long time. So this is our second time out here in Myrtle Beach. Let's go check out Azalea Sands. All right, we're all checked in. We're just waiting for the starter to let us go out at 7 a.m. Carts today, boys and girls, no walking. So the exercise is going to be minimal. I was hoping to get out to walk, but here they don't let that. And the guy at the Valley at Eastport did say that a lot of courses don't let people walk around here. So we'll just have to take the exercise value of swinging the clubs. So carts only today. So coming off of the ride, I guess, because I hate taking carts. I'd rather walk. But oh well, that's the nature of the beast sometimes. Azalea Sands Golf Club, located at azaleasandsgolf.com, according to their website, offers a newly renovated course clubhouse under new ownership, first-class pro shop, clubhouse and dining area, golf course groomed to professional standards, and southern hospitality at its finest. The clubhouse is also fully stocked with bags, balls, shoes, everything that you need to have a great round on their course. Check it out when you're there. All right, folks, we're all ready to go. Number one here at Azalea Sands, here in North Myrtle Beach. Let's see how we feel when we're all done. Okay, we're going. All right, so just for the record, I'm second shot on number one to get on my Let's Knock Off the Rust tour here at Azalea Sands. Not bad so far. I'm not trying to kill the ball, because I don't really want to hurt myself, because I haven't swung a golf club in a year. But you know what? I don't know if I like carts, but it definitely helps speed up the play, and you get a chance to sit down between shots. But the exercise part is taken away a little bit. But oh well, that's the nature of the beast. I still like playing golf. So coming up with number 3 shot here, about 75 yards from the pin. Let's see. Here's my tip of the day. Just don't try to kill the ball. Here's a great tip. I just joined Golf Now, and I got on this course for $15 on a Sunday morning. Paid the membership fee of $900, I want to say. Got me premium or Peacock Premium from NBC, some TaylorMade credits, and a $25 discount off this round. So $100 a year. So golfnow.com. Go ahead and check it out. Okay, so I think I figured it out. Too many times with golfers, we just overthink our shots. That last one, I just stuck on the green. I didn't think, I just walked up and hit the ball. So I'm gonna call that my kid mentality, where when I was a kid, I just hit the ball. I didn't think about dynamics and methodologies. In fundamentals, I just got up and hit the ball. And I think that's what we need to do to really get our game going. All right, I'm putting for dough on number 2 now. Azalea Sands Golf Club opened in 1972, right in the heart of North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and was designed by golf course architect Gene Ham. This is one of his classics on the Myrtle Beach golf scene. Azalea Sands has a reputation of offering great golf for all ages and is one of the few courses along the Grand Strand that no homes are adjoining the course. You don't want to miss this family-friendly golf course if you're a local or here on vacation. Just get up, hit the ball, don't think about it. Remember what it was like when you were a junior. Don't even worry about finesse and all that, where your feet are, where your grip is. Just get up and hit the ball. Seems to work. Okay, we're at number 5. The game is going, not bad. Second time out in about a year, so I can't complain too much about it. But, getting the fundamentals back. And golf is something that I always struggled with from a patience perspective. But it does teach you some really good patience, and just my best game is when I slow down and just take it easy and not be rushed and not have to worry about hitting the perfect shot. That's usually when I play better. So number 2, Missy has been so loving to me. She's given me the thumbs up to get out at least a couple of times a week. So we're out last Friday. About today, it's Sunday. We're going out again next Friday, and we got a very special outing next Friday. It's gonna be fun to video that one. And I don't play the super expensive courses. I'm usually around the $30 to $35 a round. Sometimes I'll pay up to $40. But I tell you, that Golf Now membership seems to be worth its weight in gold right now. So highly recommend. Go to golfnow.com. I'm going to see if I can find a promo code that I can dump in the description below and maybe offer a bit of a discount. But check out Golf Now. I'm not sure where they service, but definitely here in South Carolina. I think it's nationwide. So go check that out, and hope you enjoy this little walk around or drive around Azalea Sands here in North Myrtle Beach. Having fun playing it, so we'll see how the rest of the day goes. All right, here's some tips about Azalea Sands that you may want to know. All right, so from the tips, the course plays at 6,444 yards and offers a great challenge for almost every golfer. From the white tees, 6,016, and from the gold tees that we played that day, 5,613, which to me that was perfect. There's 2 sets of ladies, juniors, and seniors tees, the red and silvers, and they play 4615 and 3730 respectively. Now choose a tee box that suits your needs and enjoy this great track in the heart of North Myrtle Beach. We sure did that day, and I want to thank the 2 guys that I went out with. It was an amazing morning. Okay, everyone, the front 9 is done. We're on the number 10 tee box here. We'll start the second half of our game, the back 9. Let's go and hit some balls. All right, everyone, we're here on number 10, and as of, what's today, August the 14th, 2022? Looks like number 10 is on a temporary green, so just keep that in mind. If you're playing here, August, September, the real green is back there and the horizon just before those trees. The temporary green looks about 50 yards shorter, so just watch for that while you're here if it's still in play. Check out this hawk who wanted to see how bad we were playing that morning. Well, I just had my meltdown on number 11. Everything I was doing, I just fell apart. So anyway, we're back on 12, and we'll see if we can shake out those bugs. But that's the life of the casual golfer. Has some good holes and some bad holes. Okay, we're on the number 14 par 3, and this is something I've never seen before. A charity on the tee box asking for a donation for closest to the pin or hole-in-ones. I think you have $20 to play. You get $20 back if you hit it on the green, $50 if you get it within the flag stick from the green, and $10,000 if you get it hole-in-one. I'm all for charity, but I'm not for putting charities on the golf course. I come out here to play golf. My charitable contributions are done elsewhere, not on the golf course. So some people like that. I feel almost pressured to you have to give. So I'm a little against that. Teach your own. Okay, this game's messed up. How can I go from shooting horrible on 2 holes and then getting it dialed back in another 2? This game is just, I don't get it. It's frustrating some days, but still love to play. Anyway, we're on what we're on now. We're on 15, the par 5 here, so we're almost near the end. not sure if I mentioned this, but we were playing from the gold tees today. So I'm playing from the, we call the 50 plus tees. Actually, you know, golf's a lot more enjoyable playing from the gold tees. So I think I'm going to do that a bit more than trying to play from the whites until I get more rhythm into me, because I'm hitting the ball well on some holes and then just totally tanking in on others. So I think just need to find my rhythm. But today is much better than the last one we went out at the valley there. So it's getting... All right, well, this has got to be the amazing shot of the day right here. I bet you couldn't do that again, Joel.
No, I don't think so.
No, I think you're...
I always find the water, but this time I didn't. That's fucking awesome, man. I want to see you play it from there.
Yeah. Hey folks, I'm not sure what happened to some of the video here with the Azalea Sands Golf Course, but the last couple of shots I didn't seem to make it. So I just want to let you know about the Azalea Sands Golf Course in North Myrtle Beach. It's located on US 17, right in the heart of North Myrtle Beach. I give it a 4 out of 5 rating. The only reason I don't give it a full 5 because it was a great course, easy to play, not, you know, again, not very difficult for any level of, you know, beginner to intermediate. Maybe if you're a little bit more advanced, you'd find it a little bit too simple, but it was fine. There was plenty of the right amount of water and enough sand traps. And so I give it a 4 out of 5 just because of that 10th fairway green, not really being told that it was under construction. Anyway, my dogs are starting to act up, so it's time to sign up. We'll see anybody in the next golf review at 3 Dogs at RV. I'm Stuart. See y'all later.